The unboxing of Daphne's Reloaded Mermaid Balm. Can't wait to try this stuff. I'm hoping it will heal my skin from veganism. This is like bacon grease and stuff. Yes. Let's see what's inside. Let's just cut it open. I think my dog smells it. He wants it. Is he cute or what? Hey, psst. Get out of my stuff. Hey Daphne, I could have used without all the paper shreds. Cool, man. I can't wait to slather this stuff on my skin and help it heal from veganism. All you vegans out there, if you think that you're doing good, just wait. It's coming for you. Thyroid problems, skin problems, you name it. It's fixing to happen to you. So yeah. Thank you, Daphne, for creating this product. I can't wait to try it, and I'm going to review it after I test it out. Yeah. I'm sure it'll be good, though. Because Daphne is awesome. Yeah. Catch y'all later.